If you're watching this video, you're working on the 4x4 cube. You have all your centers, okay? You have all of your edges lined up. And what we have done is we are now on the part where the 4x4 turns into the 3x3, meaning we can literally use the 3x3 guide to solve the 4x4. So I'm at the part where we were making the daisy, okay? We had the yellow in the center, your two whites in each of these spots. Okay, the reason that we want to make the daisy is because we're ultimately trying to solve the white side just like we do in the 3x3. Okay, so we're going to talk about how to solve the white side. So if you remember, yellow and white are always opposite each other. So this is actually my white side. So what I want to do is I want to bring up all of these four edges so that they align with the white side. I also want to make sure I align my color with the center. So for example, I have this blue center and these orange ones up here. I'm gonna align these two orange with the orange center. Oops, wrong step. Okay, I aligned them with the orange center. And remember, I'm trying to put these white ones up on the white side. So now that they are aligned with my orange center, I'm just gonna move it twice. And now they are up with my whites. So I've got my white center and I got the white and orange side. This should be looking extremely familiar. This should look just like the 3x3. Okay, so let's go back to our yellow. And again, we need to pull all of these white edges up, but we want them to be aligned with the right color. Here I see red, but I've got the green center. So over here I have the red center. The order doesn't matter. I could do green here or red here, but I'm gonna go ahead and align the red edges right here with my red center. And now I'm gonna be able to pull those, go ahead and push them up into the white side. Okay, so now I have them with the white side. Okay. All right, let's go back to the yellow. Okay, I'm looking at either of these two sides. Order doesn't really matter. I've got these blue here. If I want, I can pull them over to the blue side. Okay, here's my blue center and my blue white pieces. Let me try to fix my lighting again. Hopefully that will help. It keeps changing on me automatically. So again, I've lined up my blue center with my two blue edges. Now I'm gonna make two moves and pull that white side up, and now I have this white side. So remember, my next goal in the 3x3 is making the white cross, okay, which on this one just meant these right here, okay, only 5 pieces. Well, now we have what, 12 pieces? Yep, 12 pieces. So we want this white cross here and here. So we're looking for our last two. So let's go back to our yellow side. I can see my two white pieces that have green on the side. So I'm gonna align the green. There we go. And then now I can just, it doesn't really matter. I can go two that way or two this way. It's gonna always bring it up into my white side. And now we have our white cross, just like we would have on the 3x3. So our next video will be talking about how to get all of the white corners.